Welcome back, gadget enthusiasts. In today's video, we're exploring some incredible household gadgets that are sure to upgrade your home. From tools that make life more convenient to must-haves for a smarter living experience, these gadgets are truly worth your attention. Don't forget, the links to all these amazing finds are in the description below. Meet the Roborock Saros Z70, the world's first robotic vacuum equipped with a mechanical arm, redefining smart home cleaning. This groundbreaking device is designed to revolutionize home cleaning with precision and efficiency. Its foldable 5-axis mechanical arm not only sees but thinks, ensuring ultimate coverage by lifting objects like socks and toys to keep your floors clear. Armed with an impressive 22,000 PA hyperforce suction, it tackles dirt and debris effortlessly, leaving every corner spotless. Its ultra-slim thickness of just 7.98 centimeters allows it to glide under furniture with ease. To top it off, the built-in intelligent voice assistant simplifies operation, making your cleaning experience smarter and more convenient. The Bissell Steam Shot Omni Handheld Steam Cleaner is the perfect tool for tackling dirt and grime with 100% chemical-free cleaning. The on-demand steam trigger lets you control the amount of high-pressure steam for precise cleaning. With powerful high-pressure steam, it easily cleans a variety of surfaces. It comes with 7 cleaning tools, including a jet nozzle, flat scraping tool, angle concentrator tool, grout brush, and 3 color-coded round brushes designed for specific rooms or different messes. The extension hose and glass and window cleaner make it versatile for various tasks. The Steam Shot Handheld Steam Cleaner is your ultimate tool for effective, natural cleaning, perfect for hard surfaces, grout, and more. Revolutionize your fitness routine with the AEKE K1 AI-powered home gym, the smartest AI home gym and 24/7 personal trainer at your command. Teamed up with sports scientists, it starts with a comprehensive assessment system, providing a detailed breakdown of your fitness ability and strength. After your assessment, the AI customizes a workout program tailored to your unique capabilities and goals. The K1 becomes your virtual AI coach, showing you exactly what to do, how to do it right, and cheering you on with real-time feedback. Powered by an intelligent algorithm trained with thousands of real workout data points, it helps you avoid injuries and stay on track. Whatever your goals, strength, cardio, toning, yoga, or meditation, K1 has you covered at no extra charge. Patented digital servo motor technology offers 5 resistance modes to sculpt every muscle. Challenge friends and family, enjoy crystal clear 2.1 channel sound, and turn any space into your personal fitness haven. Meet the Jigu Bed Vacuum Cleaner, your go-to tool for mattress cleaning. The smart display tracks real-time dust mite index and working status. Featuring original dual cups, it separates filtration and dust storage for efficient cleaning. The metal brush roll rotates fast and strong for thorough tapping. With a powerful 500-watt motor and 13 kPa suction, it provides deep mite cleaning. The UV lamp removes 99.99% of mites and bacteria, while ultrasonic sterilization ensures a hygienic surface. The 55-degree Celsius heating system further eliminates pests, making it ideal for homes with pets or babies. The open-through dust collection is easy to empty and washable for hassle-free maintenance. Perfect for maintaining a clean, healthy environment on your mattress, bed, and carpets. Meet the Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker, the ultimate kitchen tool that transforms almost anything into ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more. Simply prep your ingredients, freeze for 24 hours, use the Creamify technology, scoop, and enjoy your personalized treat. Turn simple ingredients into decadent creations like sorbet, ice cream, smoothie bowls, light ice cream, and milkshakes. Add mix-ins like chocolate, nuts, or fruit to craft masterpieces that suit your taste. The Ninja Creamy makes it easy to freeze, creamify, scoop, and enjoy, delivering perfectly smooth and creamy results every time. The KitchenAid 3.5-cup food chopper is a must-have for quick and efficient meal prep. Its 3.5-cup work bowl includes a locking blade, handle, and pour spout, ensuring mess-free serving and easy handling. The drizzle basin allows precise mixing of dressings and sauces, making every recipe effortless. With 2 speeds and a pulse option, you have full control to achieve coarse or fine textures based on your needs. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for everyday use without taking up valuable counter space. Cleaning up is hassle-free with a dishwasher-safe bowl, lid, and blade. Built for versatility and convenience, the KitchenAid Food Chopper brings style and functionality to any kitchen, simplifying chopping, mixing, and blending tasks like a pro. The Thermo Maven F1 Pro meat thermometer delivers precision and speed with a 0.6-second reading. Its NIST-certified calibration ensures 0.5 accuracy for perfect cooking. IP67 waterproofing makes it easy to clean, while the magnetic and lift-awake feature offers convenience. The ambidextrous display rotates 180 degrees, and the intelligent backlight automatically illuminates in low light. Enjoy ultra-fast readings and high accuracy for perfectly cooked meals every time with the Thermo Maven F1 Pro. Transform food waste into useful compost with the Ethereal Revive electric kitchen composter. Recycle food scraps like peels, bones, shells, and coffee grounds for your garden with simple one-button operation. The 2.5-liter capacity is perfect for handling multiple waste types, while the Shark's Den tri-blade technology efficiently grinds and dries them into a powder for easy disposal or use as fertilizer. The grooved handles provide easy handling, and the scratch-proof bucket is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Biodegradable carbon filters help eliminate odors and provide 6 months of cleaning with 2 packs. This eco-friendly solution helps reduce waste and keep your kitchen cleaner and greener, turning food scraps into a valuable resource for your plants and reducing garbage odors in your home. The Fantic E1 Max Mini Electric Screwdriver, your go-to tool for precision repairs. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy body, it offers high torque 0.2 nm, low torque 0.05 nm, and manual torque 3 nm for delicate tasks like fixing phones, watches, and cameras. The 50-in-1 precision bits made from S2 hardened steel ensure long-lasting performance. Its magnetic storage case keeps tools organized, while the magnetic chuck ensures easy bit attachment. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it handles 400 screws per charge with a robust motor spinning at 200 RPM. Perfect for pros and DIYers alike. Upgrade your time management with the LCD digital timer, designed for efficiency and style. Its creative cube design features 6 preset timers, 3, 5, 10, 15, 25, 30 minutes, that start with a simple flip, saving you time and effort. Perfect for cooking, studying, workouts, and meetings. It also supports custom countdowns up to 99.59 for versatile use. The HD LCD screen ensures clear time, volume, and battery display, while 5 adjustable volume levels adapt to any environment. Compact and lightweight, this durable ABS timer fits in your pocket, making it a portable tool for efficient time management anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing gadget finds. See you in the next video.